really, really care about our customers and our partners. And first off, we view our partners as our customers. To me, it's the same thing. We're always talking internally how we can be better. Everything we've added to the app has been customer driven, and all of our team is seasoned professionals. They've been in the Microsoft Dynamics community for a very, very long time. We went out and we found the best talent we could.
Customers prior to onboarding with iSolutions, everything's manual feels. So if they want to take a deposit, it's, in my opinion, a little painful. So we can automate that process. You can send out an email for a deposit. You can do authorizations as well. And it just makes the whole process so much easier and cuts down so much of your time. We have customers that are giving us feedback that they're saving thousands and thousands of dollars in the process.
Also, our support is all in North America, and our developers are all in-house. Where a lot of people that I know that I compete with, they hire third parties to build their apps, and just pay them, and that's very difficult for customers to get support.
And that customer support is very important to us, and we pride ourselves in returning all of our support tickets within 24 hours, even if it's to say, hey, we got your support ticket, I need to escalate this, but we've got it. And we will not hesitate to get on a call and help you with your particular situation.
I've worked for a lot of different companies, and in general, those companies have wanted to do things faster, not better. And because it's all about, time to market, ROI, that kind of stuff. But what that does is it makes your product worse, and it makes your customers feel less confident about your product. And where we really shine is we've taken the opposite approach, where we will hold back features if they're not ready. And like our extensive testing, if it doesn't make our mark, then we pull it back, we figure out what's wrong, and we fix it, and we move on. So that way we always ensure a quality product's gone out to people.
Testing is really important to iSolutions. We want to make sure that we're delivering quality products to our customers, and that the solutions that we're delivering meets what they're looking for. So make sure that we're delivering quality product every time.
Determining the product roadmap for any of the iSolutions products can be very challenging at times because we are in a rapid state of growth and there are a lot of demands on our time. However, the core foundations that we always start with when we're determining if something's going to make it into the roadmap, either near term or long term, but number one of them is making sure that we have a good product for our customers and our company, and we're moving forward, providing solutions for everybody.